This is what happens when you spend 2 whole days editing and doing school. Hey everyone, today I am co-hosting a collab with the Ingrid Chronicles and Monner's Market. It's an open collab and we're talking about power hour cleaning. You know that we do a lot of clean with me videos when we're at home to try to show the in-between life of what leads up to our adventures and how we take care of everyday life in between our adventures. So I was super excited to jump on board with co-hosting this collab. If you want to participate in this collab as well, contact the Ingrid Chronicles and let her know. I do power hour a little different than maybe other people do. So let me explain how power hour works in our family. Normally, I break it up into 15-minute increments. I don't set like a timer for 1 hour and clean just for an hour straight. I will do 15-minute increments. And what I do is I tackle 4 main areas of my house that I want to take care of, and I clean those specific areas for 15 minutes. While I'm doing that, everybody else is cleaning too, and we go on a rotation schedule. So while I'm doing 15 minutes straightening up my room, getting some laundry done and all that, I may have one in the kitchen doing her chores for the kitchen, one in the living room doing her chores for the living room, and maybe like one in the playroom or bathroom or their bedroom or whatever else needs tackled at that moment. Then every 15 minutes we all rotate, and that way everybody's getting 15 minutes different in a room. I also time lapse the videos, but I'll explain that in just a minute. We'll do a little bit of talking during one of the time lapses, but you saw the areas that I'm going to hit today, so let's get to it. I'm going to do 15 minutes in my bedroom, and we're going to do 15 minutes in the kitchen, 15 minutes in the living room, and probably 15 minutes on the dining room or laundry. Probably the dining room, because I'm going to be doing that here in a minute too. So, time for some super fast cleaning mode. 15 minutes starting now. While we're on the first time lapse of the super fast cleaning mode, I wanted to just talk for a second. I've had several comments on like private groups and messages and some videos asking why we always time lapse our cleaning videos, and here's the reason why. So as being a stay-at-home mom and work from home mom doing YouTube videos and in between travel, I want my kids to be able to still do school while we're at home, but sometimes I'm able to sit them down and have them reading for their schoolwork because they still have to sit down and read before they can answer the questions. So normally what we do is I will set them down, I will assign them something to do, like that they need to do, like reading or researching or any of those. But I also want them to feel like, even though I will be doing cleaning while they're doing that, that they can come and talk to me at any time and ask questions of things that they are struggling with. So I started doing super fast cleaning videos so that my kids didn't feel as much pressure of, oh, I'm interrupting mom while she's doing a cleaning video. Because usually with super fast cleaning, if one of them comes in, you don't even notice, and they don't even have to feel the pressure of trying to stay off camera or anything. And that way I can get the work done that I need to for cleaning, number one, number two for video, and they can also feel like they can come to me anytime. They could do that before, but doing these super fast cleaning videos has allowed them more time to be able to feel like they can come to me and get things done. have rotating rooms for all of us cleaning. Here is what we have finished. Now, I did not specify at the beginning of this video. For me, Power Hour is specifically focusing on like trying to get as much done in one massive hour of cleaning as we can. It's not really a goal to clean the entire house in 1 hour. Like, we know, even with 5 of us here, we can't do that. So our goal was to get as much cleaning done as we could while rotating everybody every 15 minutes. And I still think it looks 10,000 times better than it already did, because any amount of cleaning is better than no cleaning at all. So whether you have 5 minutes to clean or a whole hour to clean, any amount of time that you can clean is still better than no cleaning at all. So that's kind of my encouragement to you all, what I personally want to encourage you all to do. But let me show you what we finished in 1 hour. For this video. But Alicia, why did you leave so much food on your table while you were cleaning? I'm glad you asked. You've actually already seen that video. I actually had to film these in reverse order, but that was okay because I kind of needed to do the cleaning part before I could do that part. You've already seen this video. It came out 2 days ago. I will link it up in the cards above, where I talk about how I personally do my meal planning, how I plan out before I do meal planning. I do not meal plan every single week. But when I do, that was my process of doing it, is I don't like pull everything out of the pantry, but like there's stuff I couldn't fit in there. So I decided this time to do it because there was stuff that I just couldn't fit in there. And I forgot like every week that I had bought pasta and end up not using it. So I had a lot more pasta than I thought I did. But that is it for this video. If you want to watch and see what I did with the rest of those groceries, go check the video out 2 days ago. Thank you again to the Ingrid Chronicles and Monner's Market for co-hosting this collab with me. All the information you need for that and to watch the other motivational cleaning videos will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.